Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing this soft glam makeup tutorial, so enjoy! Okay, so first things first, I curl my lashes, if you can even see them. Of course, I have to prime my eyelids. So using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, I'm applying this all over my eyelids. So in this tutorial, I will be using Huda Beauty's Textured Eyeshadow Palette, her Rose Gold Edition one. So using a fluffy brush, I'm going to be applying the shade Bossy, applying that all over my eyelid, concentrating more on the outer third, making sure I blend the edges. In the inner half of my eyelids, I'm going to be applying the shade Angelic, adding some shimmer to my eyes. The next shade I'm going to be using is the color Cocoa, and I'm going to be applying that on the outer corner of my eyes, creating more dimension. Is completely optional, like you can leave your eyeshadow as it is, but I always like to create more depth and more darkness and more smokiness. So I'm going to be adding a black eyeshadow called Black Truffle just to darken out the look, but you can completely skip this step if you want your look to look a lot more softer. Okay, so basically I didn't realize I wasn't recording when I was applying my eyeliner, so just enjoy me pretending to put my eyeliner on. I am using Maybelline's gel eyeliner as always, creating a winged eyeliner. Okay, so for my brows, I'm going to fill and shape them as I would normally using Soap & Glory's Brow Archery in the shade Hot Chocolate. And to set my eyebrow hairs in place, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Brow Drama in dark brown. Finally, I apply my false eyelashes and then I am done with my eye makeup. Now going on to my face makeup, I do my usual foundation routine. So I first moisturize my skin with Clinique's Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Then I go in with Benefit's Professional, the original one, just to prime around my nose area. foundation that I've been using and the foundation that I just swear by is Estee Lauder's Double Wear Nude Water Fresh Makeup, and I dab this foundation around my face and I blend this with a beauty blender for a natural finish. For my under eyes, I apply Maybelline's The Eraser Eye in Light to brighten my under eyes and conceal my dark circles, blending that out with a beauty blender as well. To set my foundation in place, I'm using Bourjois' Healthy Mix Pressed Powder in the shade 52 Vanilla. I then contour my face with Sleek's Contour Kit in the shade Medium, applying this to the hollows of my cheeks. And of course, for any sort of glam look, you have to have a nice highlighter. So I'm using Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal. To finish this look off, I'm applying NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Berlin. And that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed my soft glam makeup tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week in my next video. Bye!